Hello everyone, I'm Grishma. Welcome to a new video of Red Indians. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to stitch a simple top which looks like this. If you didn't find a picture on this side of the screen in the video, please forgive me. I'm not sure whether I'm able to do that. I'm going to stitch a top which you can pair with the jeans or a pant or a skirt, which you can wear to office as a casual, semi-casual top. Okay, so let's see how I stitch this top. Let's see the video. So this is the fabric I have here. This is some leftover fabric. Here I have this lining with which I'm going to stitch the top.
When you take measurements of neck, front and back, shoulder, sleeve hole, waist, chest and hip. If you don't know how to take the measurement, please take a top which fits you and keep it on top of the fabric which you are going to stitch, and mark the measurements. Try to add some extra inches so that if there is any alteration required, you can make use of it. Okay. Make small slit cuts on each curve on the around the stitches, so that when you fold it inside out, the fabric will not stretch inside.
To pull this out like this, and you have this neck holes. Okay. This is one side, see? And the neck. And this neck. Like this. So it doesn't. Okay, but you have to go like this. You still have one side of it. It's really flexible.
So when you attach front and back pieces together, take the fair side of one piece and other not folded side of other piece, and then through the holes, the shoulder holes of the piece wherein you have not yet folded, take the shoulder of the other piece. So, and then make it align together and then stretch it. Once after stitching shoulders together, I folded out the fair side of both pieces, and this is how it came out. Now I'm going to stitch the bottom border. For that I just took a linear stitch, and now I have to stitch both sides of the top. So I pinned it together. I'm going to stitch it now.
So you see how it came out. So let me try it now. So how was the video? Did you find this helpful? There are only minimum cutting and stitching involved in making this top, so I hope many of you find this helpful. I actually made this from a leftover fabric which was already available. So if you don't want to buy a new piece of cloth, you can also do something like this. You can use a leftover fabric, or you can use a dupatta which we are not using anymore, or some dupattas are very thick so that we are not comfortable wearing that, so then we can make clothes like this for daily use purpose. So that is one thought. And also you can make use of old saris from which we can make these kind of tops which you can use every day. It will look good on you, and then yeah, that's one thought. If you have a shrug or a jacket which you can put over this, that will add to the fashion. So that is something I wanted to share with you all. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel. So until we meet next time with a new video, please stay happy, find happiness in whatever you're doing. Okay, bye.